Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to give different page colors in different pages in MS Word. So friends, for this I have taken two pages to show you the tactical. So if you try to change the page color, like you have gone to page layout menu and you have chosen page color, so you can see that the page color has been implemented for both the pages. This is applied for both the pages. If you try to section break, like you go to first page and end the option and you try to breaks or do section break like continuous, I have clicked there. And if you want to change this with another color page, so you have to go to page color and if you choose another color, so this isn't working because the page color is implemented to both the pages. This is applied to both the pages. If you want to give different page colors, so you have to follow a trick that I'm going to mention you. So let's uh, fill with the no color, and you have to go firstly, you have to reduce the size of these pages so that you can easily do that. You have to go to insert and go to shapes option and choose here the rectangle option, and you have to do like this and extract or stretch this box like this. And after that you have to click control and shift option, and then you can drag and drop here to totally fill the page with that shape. And after that you have to choose the first page color, and this is the one that I like to give the page for first color for first page, and for second page I would like to choose this color. So you can see these are different colors, and after that you have to go to the format option. When you click on these shapes, and as you click on the shape, you will get another menu bar or another option for tab for format, and you have to go to arrange block, and here you can find text wrapping option. You just have to click on behind text option, and you can see that the shape is gone behind the text. And same, you have to repeat this option and click on behind text. So you can increase the zoom size, or you can zoom in, and you can see that this is the first page and with this color, and this is the second page with background of this color. And you have to keep in mind that this is actually shape, not your page color. So if you drag and drop, so this will be like this, and this will be disturbed. So you have to keep in mind while converting the text, or while you try to make an ebook, you can use this option. So friends, hope this video is useful for you. If you have any doubts, I'll let ask in comment section. Thank you.